Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ganache without cream, only way. Use a simple ratio of 2 parts chopped chocolate to 1 part boiling water, stir until smooth, and chill briefly to set. I'll guide you through chocolate choices, flavor additions like sea salt or liqueur, and reheating tips to restore silky texture. This method works for glazes, fillings, and truffles with reliable results every time. In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate ganache without cream, only way. Start by chopping chocolate finely, place it in a heat-proof bowl, and pour boiling water over it while timing for 1 minute. After resting, whisk gently but confidently from the center outward until the mixture becomes glossy and smooth. Add any extracts or salt now, and cool briefly to reach the desired spreadable or pourable consistency. In this video, I will review how to make chocolate ganache without cream, only ways. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like so I know to make more helpful content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while baking and makes cleanup breaks feel nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want to stay refreshed during recipe time. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make chocolate ganache without cream, only ways. For a thinner glaze, add a splash more boiling water. For thicker filling, reduce the water slightly. Stir in a small knob of butter or a teaspoon of neutral oil for extra gloss and silky texture, and consider a dash of liqueur, espresso, or vanilla for complexity. Taste as you go and chill to firm before trimming or using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.